lay back, this is kind of peaceful for real if you don't know what you're doing.
If you lay back, it stops it.
Alright, my turn.
He's smaller too.
I'm scared. Okay, back to the hole.
Oh! I can't even.
You spin it really fast.
I can't spin her. She's not big, tall enough. That's right, her head. She's not tall enough for me to be able to reach.
You look like you're dancing or something.
Yeah, just do that. I can push your head.
Okay, alright, it's not slow. Don't do it fast.
Turn, get on this side, Desmond, or
Oh
something.
god, okay, my butt's slipping, my butt's slipping, my butt's slipping.
Man, got her out too far.
Hey, the swing's falling.
The swing's falling.
I feel like it's scared.
I can't see it.
Hey, you want to play tomorrow here? Oh, you got fitness.
I don't have fitness, but I practice in the morning.
You're smacking me.
I can't get a grip on you.
Ow! Okay, go fast. Go grab my stomach, grab my stomach. I spin myself faster when Ow! Ow!
Did it pinch you?
Yeah.
My bad. I can't get a
Go,
grip
go,
on you.
Go, go. Hit my feet.
I don't want to hurt your foot.
Just do. Alright, hit the other foot.
This foot?
Don't tell me you're not ready. Hang on. Spin the other way.